Understanding routers packet loss. A beginner's guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting and crucial topic for anyone using the internet: routers packet loss. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or just browsing, understanding this concept can greatly improve your online experience. Let's unravel the mystery behind packet loss and learn how to minimize its impacts together. At the heart of internet communications is the exchange of data packets. These small units of data travel across networks from the source to their destination. Packet loss occurs when some of these packets fail to reach their destination, leading to disruptions in your internet experience. This can result in slowdowns, buffering, or even disconnections. Packet loss can happen for several reasons. Network congestion. Too much traffic can overwhelm routers, causing them to drop packets. Hardware issues. Faulty routers, modems, or cables can lead to lost packets. Software bugs. Glitches in network software can also result in packet loss. Signal interference. Wireless connections are prone to interference from other devices, which can disrupt packet delivery. Identifying packet loss involves observing symptoms like frequent disconnections, slow internet speeds, or poor voice call quality. Tools like Ping and Traceroute can also help detect packet loss by analyzing the path data takes to its destination and identifying where the loss occurs. Reducing packet loss often involves addressing its root causes. Upgrade your hardware. Ensure your router and modems are up to date and functioning properly. Optimize your network. Reduce network congestion by limiting bandwidth-heavy activities during peak times. Secure your connection. Use wired connections over wireless when possible to avoid interference. Contact your ISP. Persistent packet loss may require intervention from your internet service provider. Understanding routers packet loss is key to troubleshooting and improving your online experience. By recognizing the signs and knowing how to address the issue, you can ensure a smoother, more reliable internet connection. We hope this guide has shed light on packet loss and how to combat it. Happy surfing, and see you in the next video.